Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover a PayPal account, password, and security fix step by step clearly. Open your browser or the PayPal app and make sure you are on the official PayPal site or app. Tap Login and then select having trouble logging in or forgot password. Enter the email address or mobile number linked to your PayPal account. Choose a verification method such as SMS, email, or Authenticator app if available. Enter the security code you receive and submit it before it expires. Create a new password that is long, unique, and not used on any other website. Confirm the new password and save the changes to complete the reset. Log in with your new password to verify that the recovery worked. If you do not receive a code, check your spam and junk folders for PayPal messages. If you used SMS and got nothing, confirm your phone has signal and can receive short codes. If your email or phone is no longer accessible, choose Try Another Way or contact us on the recovery screen. Go to the PayPal Help Center and select Password and Account Access for guided recovery options. When asked, provide the requested details carefully, such as your name and the last 4 digits of a linked card. After you regain access, open Settings and review your profile information for any changes you did not make. Go to Security and turn on 2-step verification for stronger protection. Choose the Authenticator app option if possible because it is more secure than SMS. Update your security questions or recovery options if PayPal offers them in your region. Check your email inbox for a PayPal alert about a new login and make sure it was you. In your PayPal security page, review recent login activity and sign out of devices you do not recognize. Go to Payments and review automatic payments and subscriptions. Then cancel anything unfamiliar. Check your linked bank accounts and cards, and remove any you do not recognize. Review your recent transactions and immediately report any unauthorized activity using Report a Problem. Run a malware scan on your computer or phone to make sure your device is clean. Update your browser, PayPal app, and operating system to the latest version for security fixes. Change the password of the email account connected to PayPal, because email control can unlock PayPal access. Enable 2-factor authentication on your email account as well for complete protection. Avoid public Wi-Fi when logging into PayPal, or use a trusted VPN if you must. Save your new recovery methods and keep backup codes in a secure place if PayPal provides them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.